Happy Thirsty Thursday. Pre-party drinks. Who does that? We do. Why? Because why not? Let me show you how we make Pomegranate Cosmopolitan. In the ice shaker, we need 4 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of contrast or any other orange liqueur, 2 ounces of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of pomegranate juice, you know that one, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Let's shake things up. There you go, our pomegranate Cosmopolitan. Oops, it's ready. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Cheers. It's gonna be a fun party.